Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do the unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Cluny MM. So with this box, you will receive this too. Let's open what's inside. Inside, so this. You will have a thank you note. What else you have here? Oh, returns. So the sticker, you can return this one for 30 days if you don't like the product. And then you also have your receipt. That's cool. That. And then you also have this small little envelope here. Okay, it's cute. Now let's open. What's inside the box? Ooh, the box is really pretty. Ready? Okay. Wow. Inside, we'll see this Louis Vuitton. And then, ooh, my bag. Cluny MM. Look how pretty is that? It's really nice. I love the size. For me, this is not so big and not too small for me. So it's just right. The Cluny BB is too small. This one is really, like, I love the size. It's in the size. Yeah, that's how it looks. This is the front and then the back. So if you're going to open, so this magnet here. And then you also have a zipper where you can put your phones, your credit cards, or whatever you want to put, lipstick, yeah. And then you also have a sling. Okay, that's cute. And then at the back, you also have some packets here. 1, 2. So yeah, that's how it looks. You can actually put a lot of things in here. Like, really nice. And then, the good thing about this bag is that you can expand or not. It's up to you. So you can make it bigger or smaller. So that's a cute thing. And then you wrap just like that. So that's that. That's the front and then the back. And for me, I really like this bag. For me, it's a must-have. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's my Cluny MM. If you like what you're watching, please subscribe to my channel and follow me as well. Thank you so much. Bye.